Now we are going to talk about the future. First of all, will plus infinitive. We use will plus infinitive. For example, I think the weather will be hot tomorrow. The negative won't plus infinitive. They won't come early tomorrow. The question, we will begin with will plus subject plus infinitive. For example, will you attend the next meeting? The passive of will plus infinitive is will be plus bb. The room will be tidied. When we use will plus infinitive, number one, quick decisions that you have just made. For example, someone is knocking at the door, I'll open it. The mobile is ringing, I'll answer it. Number two, future fact. For example, today is Monday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. How old will you be next year? Number three, promise and threat. Example, if you get the full mark, I will buy you a present. Don't do that again or I will punish you. After that, we use well when we are talking about offers. You wash the dishes and I will set the table. I'll carry the heavy bag for you. Then request, will you make me a sandwich please? Will you help me please? Warning, be careful or you will cut your finger. We use will in the first conditional if you visit Paris, you will meet your old friends. We use will when we are talking about prediction without evidence. For example, I think you will win the first prize. He expects that we will pass the driving test. We also can use these expressions with will. Think, believe, expect, hope, imagine, suppose, probably, possibly, I'm not sure, perhaps, it's possible. Number two, we are going to talk about another form of future, which is am is are plus going to plus verb infinitive. Study these examples. They are going to buy a new car. He isn't going to study at the university. Are you going to study at Cambridge University? This film is going to be started. We use be going to plus infinitive when we are talking about prediction with evidence. For example, there are dark clouds in the sky. I think it's going to rain. Look out, you are going to fall down. Note that Ahmed is an excellent boy. He will get high marks. Here we describe Ahmed. It's a general description. But you look very sad. You are going to cry. It's a temporary adjective. Also, we use be going to plus infinitive when we are talking about future plans or intentions. For example, I'm going to travel to London when I grow up. I have planned to do that. He is saving a lot of money. He is going to buy a new flat. He intends to do that. Also, we use be going to plus infinitive when we are talking about something that you are about to do. For example, it's 5:55, the match is going to start. We use the present continuous tense to express future. For example, we are flying to London next Monday. I'm meeting my friends tonight. Everything is arranged. What is the form of it? It's am is are plus verb plus ing, and the negative is am not, isn't, aren't plus verb plus ing. We use the present continuous tense when we are talking about fixed arrangements for the near future. We use the present simple tense when we are talking about future, only when we are talking about timetables. The train to Alex leaves at 10 o'clock. The lesson starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. The form is we use the verb without any addition with I, we, they, you, and plural. The verb with s or es or is with he, she, it, or singular. Good luck, my dear students.